All right, on number 19, it's asking me for the solution set to the equation. And we can find this many different ways. You could graph it and find the zeros. You could use quadratic formula. Or what we're going to do, just because we want to refresh our memory on it, is we're going to use the factoring method. We're going to use the my father drives a red Mercedes, or my friends don't really matter, which is so mean. We're going to use this method of factoring to factor this, mainly because we want to refresh our memories on factoring, and that's why we're using this method. So multiply, because I can't divide everything by 6, I will multiply by 6 to temporarily get rid of that lead coefficient, and that will give me 36. So then I factor it, which factors that combine multiply to a positive 36 that add to negative 13 are negative 4 and negative 9. Then to make up for the fact that we multiplied by 6 at the beginning, we have to correct for that and divide by 6. Okay, deeper divide there. Remember, multiply, factor, divide, reduce, move. Reduce if possible. And move. If you still have any denominators, they move to the front. And then these are your two factors. And to solve, you would set them equal to 0 and solve. Whoops. So divide by 3 there. X could be 2/3. That's one of my solutions. And the other solution, you would add 3, divide by 2, 3/2 is the other one. So 2/3 or 3/2. So D. And notice that that's not a point. It's not in parentheses. It's in squiggly brackets. That's how they list solutions if they don't write them as a point. So this is me saying a list, 2/3 and 3/2. So 2/3, 3/2. That's why they put that in the squiggly brackets.